everyone, and welcome back! It's your neighborhood cheetah, Chee Chee, and today we're going to the bank! And today I'm gonna tell you why you need to create a budget to manage your money!
Oh, really?
Budgeting is to make sure you're able to spend on what's needed and save a little money each month.
Smoke bomb!
Ideally, at least 10% of your income. Budgeting can make sure that you aren't spending more money than you earn.
Oh, no.
You have to have a budget or you won't have any money. You will always spend all your money and be broke.
Oh, my God!
Many people think that they don't need to budget, but you're wrong. Everyone needs a budget.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
You don't need to be great at math to make a budget. Basic addition and subtraction is good enough. And thanks to budgeting software programs, many of these programs are free. You may say that your job is secure. But honestly, no one's job is truly safe.
Oh, no!
You should always be prepared for a job loss by having at least 3 months' worth of living expenses in the bank. Unemployment compensation is not a sure thing. The benefits may fall well short of the wages that you're used to.
No, no, no.
If you don't have any major goals right now, your situation and your attitude will likely change over time. If you don't save your money, then you will not be able to afford this change in your living situation down the road.
Oh, no.
Being debt-free without any savings won't pay your bills in an emergency. A zero balance can quickly become a negative balance if you don't have a safety net.
Ah!
You may always get a raise or tax refund, but it's never a good idea to count on unpredictable sources of income.
Wait, what?
This may be the year that your company is unable to give you a raise of bonus money. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account that you don't see regularly. Schedule the transfer to happen right after you get paid. Woo! If you are saving for retirement, you may have the option of contributing a set amount regularly to a 401k or other retirement savings plan. You should only use your emergency fund for true emergencies. For instance, if you have a medical emergency, always think, is this purchase necessary? If you feel like you're the only one in your group who is on a budget, then find friends who will listen to your concerns and share their budgeting experiences. Conduct a regular check on how well your budget is working. Make sure that you always keep your long-term financial goals in the picture. Learn all you can about finances and how you can best invest in yourself.
Since when did you get so smart?
Seek out advice from people who are doing well with their money. The more you learn about handling money wisely, the more you will save.
You smart. You very smart.
Skipping your payments only builds more debt.
What?
And late fees hurt your credit score.
You what?
Go over all your bills to see what should be paid first. Prioritize those that are late. And then set up a payment schedule based on your paydays. Start cutting back on items that you don't need.
Oh, come on.
Change habits that are costing you. Prepare meals at home instead of going to restaurants.
Come on, man.
You might be able to lower your auto insurance premium by switching carriers.
Woohoo!
Monitor your progress by writing everything you spend in a notebook. Use budgeting apps on your phone or computer. Ensure that every cent is accounted for. Adjust your spending as needed after each month. This is the importance of your budget.
Woo!
Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal that you want to see next. Join us next time, kiddos, and see what we're going to learn next because we're going to the bank.
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas. Quiero más